Welcome back and good morning. We're back here in Perth now at the moment. Last time you probably saw us, we were in Melbourne. Hopefully you guys can see that I've put the drone footage up on the last video that we had. Finally got to fly it for you guys and finally actually got to show you a new piece of equipment. So today we're going to head to Ocean Reef again, get a few clips there and that. Definitely going to use the drone because keen to film with that. But yeah, what do you think?
What do I think?
What do you think?
With what?
With today.
Yeah, it's a good day. Nice weather.
Good day. Anyways, next time you see us, we're gonna head to Ocean Reef and get some clips for us. See you then.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
No, you didn't.
Let's go!
Yeah, it's alright. Subway needs better riders.
Of course that counts. I mean, you're not even playing. For
Oh,
9 years!
it wasn't even on film. No. Yo! Oh! Oh!
Steve, you're in the way with that!
What? I'm on the grass!
Hey!
Boy! Look at that! Whoa.
Alright.
Oh!
Damn it! Got a little manual out of that.
Boy!
Yeah.
Oh!
I'll try to do like a thing.
What's happening here, babe?
Everything.
Getting the drone ready.
Get some drone footage done. Huh?
Professional YouTuber.
YouTuber. How sweet that is.
Too much swag going on at the moment. I'm nervous.
Got a nice blue chillin'
what you
shirt
call
on.
it?
Which you can buy this on Chillin' website. I'll put the link in the
I like the
description.
blue better because everyone in the skate park wears white tops, so it's easier to find you in the blue.
Yeah, mate. I mean, it's not hard to find me anyways. Just look for the guy sending bangers.
What, the kid doing the shit?
Yeah, exactly. That kid over there, man, he's sending his bangers hard today.
So we're hoping there isn't any incidences today.
Yeah.
No incidences?
No.
Not gonna crash?
Not yet. Not yet anyways. I'm not going to crash this, don't you keep saying that. I need to fly this more so I can get more comfortable with it. Ah, it's a low battery.
Do you want a cheeky battery change here?
Okay, here we go. Now it's connecting. Charge the thing up, so it should be all ready to go. Just connecting now. See, so that's what it meant to do in Breakfast, but it didn't. It just went hello and bang. Alright, just finished the drone footage. It came out awesome, I was actually really stoked the way it worked, and that just stayed there, not like the last video you probably will see. That one, didn't have no idea. It did that a little bit today, but then it just like corrected itself, so I'm not sure if it's because it's outside it can just calculate more where it is, but no, it turned out great. And as you can see, wearing blue today for chilling. So if you like this shirt and you want one, I'll put the link in the description or where to go and get one. Just chilling, follow them. It's spelled like this on their page. Subscribe to us. And yeah, we're always doing videos, but the next spot, we're going to Netherlands. So we definitely want to get some clips there, see what we can film, and should be good, eh?